Welcome back everyone to another video, and in this video we'll be discussing about the solution to the question that I've given in my previous video. It was on sets, and if you haven't watched that video till now, then do check it out. It was quite a good one actually. This is the solution. This video will be on the solution of that question, so it will be quite a short one. So yeah, let's get started. First of all, we have over here the question that I've given to you all. It says that you have three list of IDs, three list of IDs, and it says that one of all of your clients and two others of clients who bought the product X or Y. Okay, so which means that the first one over here is the universal set, which consists of all the clients. The second one is the variable which stores the values of the IDs of those clients who bought product X, right? Like 104 and 448 are the IDs of those clients who bought product X, and over here are the IDs of those clients who bought product Y. Okay, so first of all, we need to create those variables in VS Code. So I think first of all we need to create all clients. I guess it was a list, but I'll be using set over here because it will be quite easier then. Yeah, so you can just copy it. Let's see, 104, 203. Okay, second one are the IDs of client who bought X. Clients who bought X, and this will also be a set, and the last one will be the one who bought the product Y. So 104 is 255 and 289. Now we need to answer the following questions. Okay, first of all, the first question is which clients bought product X but that client did not buy product Y. Okay, we can use the Venn diagram to solve this. So over here, product X and did not buy product Y. What we can do is, first of all, we can create a box. Let's say like this. We have set X, we have set Y, set X, set Y. Okay, 104, 255 and 289. So 104 here will be 448, here will be 255 and 289 right here. Yeah, then 203 over here. Okay, so client who bought product X and did not buy product Y. So bought product X means this one, because that client bought the X but he did not buy product Y. So this one. So this is our first one. Second one says that bought both the products. It's quite easy, you have to do the union one. So this one, and third one is who bought nothing, which means this one over here. Okay, so let's do this. First of all, we need to deduct, right? Print clients who bought product X but did not buy product Y. Print X. Now the second one. The clients who brought both the products, right? Yeah, it will be the union of, or not the union, sorry, it will be the intersection, sorry, it will be the intersection. So clients who brought product X dot intersection clients who brought product Y. Yeah, and the third one is the clients who brought nothing. That will be all the clients minus clients who bought product X plus clients who brought Y. Let's run this. Oh, we got an error. So it is a type error which says that we can't add two sets. Okay. So what we can do is we can just do a union of them. See, the clients who bought product X 448, the ID, the clients who bought both the products 104, this one, and the clients who bought nothing is this one 203. So it's quite easy actually. And the next video will be on, I guess, dictionaries, like what is dictionary and the various operations of functions you have in dictionary. And one thing I want to say to you all is, if you're new to my channel, then you can just check out all the videos I've created. There's a playlist for Python tutorial for beginners where I've posted various kind of videos starting from introduction to Python. Then we have variables, data types, we have complete list, tuples, we have recently completed sets, and this was the solution of that question. So yeah, if you are new to my channel, then hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon, and if you like this video, then hit the like button, and yeah, see you again.